Usual suspects are here.
He's got a video camera recording, gray hoodie. We're gonna need to stop and investigate them. They tried to actually get in her vehicle during the middle of her traffic stop.
He's looking at a cop watch. Guys. Oh. See if we can get that. Yeah, they called off the chase, guys. They seen a camera and they couldn't not stop at it. They had to. It's like a magnet, guys. These cameras are like magnets. Shout out to Audit in Canada, guys. He was out there all night last night. We got some good footage. This next one, we caught them slipping, but they owned up to it. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Where are they at, in the store? Their lights are on. Which number was it? Which number was it?
5102.
We are about to see a super Karen. She may be the ultimate Karen, guys. As you could see in this video, I didn't even point the camera at her. No interest, zero interest. Guys, she couldn't help herself. She was in the middle of a conversation. And I don't know, she just looked at me and then said to her friend something about Antifa. It threw me off guard. You'll see it took me a second to figure out she was even talking to me, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm the only one here. Then she went on to tell me about get another vax. Guys, she doesn't know she's talking to the king of the no jabs. There's no way they're getting me with that stuff.
My logic is this. Mom's wanting her to exercise. So I'm thinking, where can I take this kid far enough to look at Antifa? Antifa with his
You okay, lady?
Oh, I know. Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, we'll get another vaccine.
Whatever you say, lady. No emergency in sight, guys. You guys parked in a no parking zone. Lights on for. What's going on? How do I get that special permit?
Oh, we don't have any special, but we'll ensure the next time we won't park here.
You're awesome.
We apologize for that.
Thank you, sir. You're the driver. Hopefully, you take his advice and don't do it next time, sir. We have to follow the same rules. You guys should set an example.
Definitely.
I appreciate you. Thank you, sir. Much love to you. Be safe out here. Very polite, guys. Very professional officer. No complaints. I mean, they're parking. It is what it is. But as for owning up to it and not throwing any sort of power trip, buckling up, I mean, what else can you ask for?
Okay, 2 cruisers are going that way.
Yeah, I just seen them. They're pulling over. One of them almost hit a bike.